Hello, everybody. Welcome to study our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 48, we will study the network concept, Ingress. We will introduce the Ingress concept of the Ingress and the installation of the Ingress. So first, what is Ingress? Ingress exposes HTTP and HTTPS routes from outside the cluster to service within the cluster. Traffic routing is controlled by rules defined on the Ingress resource. Here is a simple example where an Ingress sends its or traffic to one service. Okay, this is the client. An Ingress may be configured to give services externally reachable URLs, load balance traffic, terminate SSL, TLS, and offer LAN-based virtual hosting. An Ingress controller is responsible for fulfilling the ingress, usually with a load balancer. So it may also configure your edge router or additional front ends to help handle the traffic. An ingress does not expose arbitrary ports or protocols, exposing services other than HTTP and HTTPS to the internet. Typically use a service of type service type load port or service type load balancer. Okay, so in this slide we will show the animation of the network ingress. Okay, first we will there are three loads in the cluster. Okay, first now we analog to a online shopping system. There are three components: the order system, user system, user component, and the customer also the customer component. So first we will create a deployment. The deployment contain two pods, and the pods are labeled with the app key value pair. App equals A here, and app equals A. Okay, and another component deployment. Deployment B. This is the user component, and this deployment consists of three pods, and also labeled with app equals B. Okay, they are yellow color, and OKR. The third component create deployment C, and this is the product component. Okay, and we can see this color. We can see in this color there are three pods in the product deployment C. Okay, now they will expose the application to the deployment A. What component create a service A, and okay, the service A will distribute traffic to these two pods. Okay, and the service B as a load balancer and distribute its incoming traffic to the these three pods, and create and service C is a product component, and distribute its incoming traffic to these three pods labeled app equals C. Okay, now this layer we call the service network. Okay, we also Okay. Okay, in our last lessons, when we initiate the Kubernetes cluster, we specify the service network, and we can also use the kubectl get service. We can see here the default Kubernetes service and the engines deploy service. Their cluster IP is in the range of this 10.6096. Okay. Here all the service IP addresses are in the range of this IP CIDR. Okay. And also this layer we called the pod network. We also when initiate the Kubernetes network use this pod network CIDR when we specify in the pod network. Okay, so we can also use the kubectl get pods to show what the pod's IP address. We can see that there are 3 pods and their IP addresses are in 192.168. Okay, they are all in this IP CIDR 192.168, and it's a B class IP address. Okay, now we create a ingress. In fact, it's a engines server. Now, okay, when we receive the incoming traffic from the outside the cluster, such as the HTTP /xx.cloud.com. Okay. When the subdomain is the water.cloud.com, the ingress component will distribute its incoming route to this water.cloud.com and to all the traffic in this subdomain, and will distribute its route destination is service A component. Okay, one of the pod. This pod labeled app equals A handled this incoming request. Okay, if the incoming URL is user.cloud.com, okay, it will be routed to the service B, and the service B will distribute its route to this pod. Okay, and so on. If the incoming cloud is this cloud.com /product, it is related to the product component to the service C. Okay, and the service C will distribute its traffic to this pod. Okay, labeled app equals C. Okay, this is how the ingress works. So now we will introduce in the following steps we will install the ingress. Okay, so we can first we can download the YAML file. We use the file to create the ingress component. We use the wget this ingress. Okay, wget here, and with this YAML file. Okay, now we have this deploy. Yes, because we have downloaded this, and now we use kubectl apply, specify the deploy ingress, deploy YAML files. So enter, and the kubeset get ports. Ports specify wall namespace. So we can see that this YAML file created 3 ports in the ingress engines namespace. Okay, and the status and some of the ports are now be completed, and one is in the container creating, and we just use it again. Now we can see that is running. When the status is running, we can also, yes. Okay, so now we have installed the ingress component. So that's all. Thank you.